Good morning! Our lesson is all about dividing simple fractions and mixed fractions. Find the quotient of 8/9 and 2/3. So pagka tayo nagdi-divide ng fraction, kukunin muna natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. So ang divisor dito ay 2/3. Yung 8/9 kasi yun ay dividend. So when we say reciprocal, i-flip lang natin yung numerator sa denominator at denominator sa numerator. Pagbabaligtarin lang natin. So ibig sabihin, ang reciprocal ng 2/3 ay 3/2 o 3/2. Then change the operation to multiplication. Then ipapalo na natin yung step sa pagmumultiply ng fraction. So we can cancel 3 and 9 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We can also cancel 2 and 8 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then we can multiply after that. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So 4/3. We can change 4/3 to a mixed fraction kasi yung 4/3 ay improper fraction. So pag kinange natin yung 4/3 sa mixed number or mixed fraction is 1 and 1/3. Learning task 1. Find the quotient of the given fractions below. Write your solution in your notebook. So tulad nun natin, sasagutan na natin yung number 1. Kayo na yung magsasagot ng mga remaining numbers. 7, 8 divided by 3/4. So, kukunin muna natin yung reciprocal ng divisor na 3/4. Ang reciprocal ng 3/4 ay 4/3. Then, we will multiply. Cancel 4. Cancel 8. Ang GCF ng 4 at 8 ay 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now we can multiply the numerator by the numerator, denominator by denominator. So 7 times 1 and 2 times 3 is equal to 7/6. 7 times 1, 7. 2 times 3 is 6. So ang 7, 6 ay improper fraction. Change to mixed fraction. The answer is 1 and 1/6. Sasagutan nyo na yung mga natitirang numbers. So, paano naman tayo nagdi-divide ng mixed number? For example, 8 and 3/5 is divided by 3 and 3/4. So, what is the quotient? So, syempre, ang una natin gagawin ay i-change yung mixed number or mixed fraction sa improper fractions. So, 8 times 5, 40. Plus 3, 43. So, kokopyahin lang natin yung 5 na denominator, 43/5 o 43/5. So, ibig sabihin, yung 8 and 3/5 at 43/5 ay iisa lang. The same value sila. Yun namang 3 and 3/4. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3, 15. Then, kopyahin yung 4 na denominator. So, 15/4. Then, change division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, yung 15/4 o 15/4 na divisor, ang reciprocal noon ay 4/15. Then, we will multiply. So, walang ika-cancel. Kaya, 43 times 4 is 172. Then, 5/15 is 75. Then, change improper fraction into a mixed number. So, pag kinange natin yon sa mixed number, the answer is 2 and 22/75. So, that is our final answer. Learning task 2. Find the quotient of the given fractions below. Write your solution in your notebook. So, sagutan na natin yung number 1. Ayun na yung bahala doon sa mga susunod na numbers. 12 and 3, 8 plus 2 and 3/4. So, mixed number o mixed fraction. Kaya-change natin sa improper fraction bago tayo mag-divide. 12 times 8 is 96 plus 3 is 99 over 8. So, yun namang 2 and 3/4. 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11/4. So, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 11/4. Yun ay 4, 11. Tsaka tayo magmumultiply. We can use cancellation. Cancel 4, cancel 8. Ang GCF noon ay 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, 99 times 1 is 99. 2 times 11 is 92. So, pag change natin yung 99 over 22 sa mixed number, ay 4 and 11 over 22. So, yung 11 over 22 ay wala pa sa lowest term. I-divide natin sa 11. So, 11 divided by 11 is 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2. So, the final answer is 4 and 1/2. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Hanggang dito na lamang and God bless po. Thank you!